Thanks a lot for staying with Republic TV. We've got some big breaking news coming in. MS Dhoni has announced his retirement on Instagram. He has gone on to post from his handle Mahi7781. Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout. From 1929 hours, consider me as retired. So from about 7:30 today, he has announced his retirement on social media. This has been talked about and there has been a buzz about this for quite some time. But because this announcement did not come earlier, it was believed that perhaps Dhoni was going to postpone his retirement. Remember, he has already retired from Test cricket and of course has been seen as one of the greatest limited overs cricketer we have seen in a very, very long time. One of the most consummate finishers. Dhoni has seen it all, done it all, won the World Cup for India as well. But now we're getting to know that he has confirmed his retirement on social media. Let's also go across to my colleague Shumon Ray joining us. Shumon Ray, this is from international cricket. He's continuing to play IPL.
Well, he will certainly play the IPL. That is, he has made it clear. And also the fact that this was on cards because he is not in BCCI's contract, which means not in the central contract. So if you're not in the contract A, B or C, then obviously it's an indication from the BCCI that your time has come. Now, MS Dhoni has chosen Independence Day to retire. This is also monumental and also symbolic as well. So this is a time where he wants to tell the world that now it's time to move on because there are other things now. Apart from when will the international cricket begin? He also understands that very fact because as of now, what we can see is an IPL which is going to happen in the month of September and October. But the international cricket, as per India, is concerned, as far as India's limited overs is concerned. Remember, Dhoni doesn't play the Test cricket. Dhoni is only available for 2020 and ODI. So when will India play ODI and 2020? That remains it's indefinite. So clearly Dhoni doesn't want to drag it any longer. Remember one thing that since World Cup, India's exit in the semi-finals from World Cup, it's been more than a year. And Dhoni, when will he retire? Just about a matter of time. So he has finally retired, understanding that probably the BCCI and others have given him enough indications, as well as the selectors. Probably it's for time for the legend to quit, hang up his boots, and look forward to, because there is an immense cricket left in him in terms of domestic cricket, in terms of his contribution to IPL and other forms of other cricket, because he is someone who has always provided some input other to Indian cricket.
This season's IPL is obviously not the IPL that everybody likes to watch and has been looking forward to, but in Corona times it is going to be a curtailed IPL in the UAE, and that is going to be perhaps the last we see of MS Dhoni on the field. He's going to play this season. We don't know yet if he continues to play in IPL, but certainly as far as the international scene is concerned, he has bid his adieu more than a year after he played his last match. Questions were certainly there on him. But because this announcement did not come when he was dropped from the BCCI contracts, one expected maybe he wants to continue a little bit. Is it the fact that Corona pandemic and its lockdowns have stalled a lot of cricket that has made him decide this on 74th Independence Day? We'll have to wait and see on that. Thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.